Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming and hands-on. Next data type is tuple. The tuple is the one data type which is similar to the list, but here the bracket should be like this. Tuple is a immutable. That means we can't modify it. Actually, this tuple can be generally used in the database operations and memory operations, and it is a write protected. Okay, this will be copy. Okay, and so here actually, the tuple is similar to the list, but we can't modify it, right? So how we can modify it? So if you try to modify it, definitely it gives error. Let us say, suppose A is a one tuple. Let us say 1 comma 2 comma some 5 comma 10. Let us say this is a tuple. Suppose if I try to print the print of A, it is a we can directly print it. Suppose if I modify A of 0 is equal to sum 11. If I do this, so definitely it gives a error actually. So we can't modify it. Okay. So if you want to modify, how we can do? How string is modified? The simply string is converted into list, and we can modify it and convert back to string. So this here also same. So first convert tuple into list, then modify it, then convert back to the tuple. So now how we can do? So tuple to list, how we can do? Similarly, we can just take this one, and if we can print it, right? So how we can convert is simple. Let us say B is a one list. So for I in A, so B dot append of I. So then print B. So this way we can convert into the tuple into the list. Actually, how we can convert a list to tuple, that also we need to know, right? List to tuple. So how we can convert list to tuple? So A is equal to, let us say, so list 1 comma, so same thing we will copy. So list is like this, right? List is so how we can convert? So simple actually. Here B is equal to tuple of A. That's it. And print B. So before that print A. So now just we can, so like this we can convert tuple to list and a list to tuple. Just see the same thing we will see in the programs. Just copy it and okay, take new and just save it as tuple 3.py. Okay, now just remove these comments arrays. Okay, just make as hash. This just remove this and print, and here also just make hash, remove these comments. Yes, now just see. Okay, first comment all these things. Yeah, this first we'll see this program first. Okay, now open the command prompt. Yeah, Python tuple 3. Yeah, see, we are getting the error on print B. B like this. Okay, print should be in the brackets. Now up arrow and enter. Yes, see. So the tuple is converted into list. See, so this way we can convert a tuple into the list. Now we'll see how we can convert a list to the tuple. Just save it. See, so same list is converted into tuple like this. So this is a method we can follow. So your conversion from the list to tuple is a simple, just with function we can directly we can do it. Whereas from the tuple to list, using the for loop we can do the conversion. So this is about the how the conversion from the tuple to the list and list to tuples. Generally, this type of operation is to do the modification of the tuple. So this is about. So hope you like this video. Okay, thank you.